TikTok achiel, yudo wa mbui mar Facebook, mbui mar YouTube, yudo wa kanyo bende mbui mar X, yudo mbui mar Instagram kachiel koda mbui mar TikTok nyinga Simfros Okinda. Kabende wachako kanyo kod twak motimore piny mar Ethiopia boma Addis Ababa kama bende twak mar atile kind jolar lemo mar kom jatend riwruok mar Africa AUC otimore demo makawuone boma Addis Ababa e piny mar Ethiopia. Raila Odinga mar Kenya kod jochung' mamoko ariyo magin Mohamud Ali Yusuf ma Djibouti kod Richard Randriamandrato mar Madagascar orakore twagno kamoro temo uso sera mage mondo mi yiergi ne lemono ma achiel kuom penjo mane gin godo en kotenore koda weche mag gero apeyni kachiel koda mwandu mamoko mar bero wuoth kachiel koda chenro mag Afrika ma eka ne giloso.
I worked for 5 years as the African Union High Representative on Infrastructure Development. And here is another problem, because goods cannot move freely because of lack of adequate infrastructure within the continent. Kenya exported tea to Ghana, and it took 3 months of the tea to travel from Kenya to Ghana. We have major infrastructure projects, the high-speed continental railway, the inter-African highways, Cape to Cairo, Tunis to Cape, Dakar to Djibouti, Dakar, Lagos, Mombasa, and so on and so forth. All these need to be developed. Energy is another factor. Energy is too expensive, but we can reduce the cost of energy and go green in the continent.
I acknowledge the work by President Museveni. He has said that he will not export petrol or gas as long as there will not be a refinery in Uganda. These are the examples from African leaders who take the destiny of their people in hand so that they can actually have value added locally. I can emphasize the importance of continuing to develop the economy at the continental level. You did mention our joint initiative about developing trade through, in theory, liberalization of trade, liberalization of the circulation of persons throughout our continent.
Kamano bende jotelo go chiwo paro mopogore kotenore koda weche mag kelo kwe kendo chungo tulo